Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start.
Speaking on the demand for grant relating to agriculture in the Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to touch upon a few points. First of all, so far as distribution of agricultural manure is concerned, I want to know the policy of the government in regard to this matter. Some time back, the government were giving some aid for compost making. I request that they should think of reviving the compost subsidy scheme. I would like to point out that the supply of manure is very short in our state. We do not also get farmyard manure in sufficient quantities. Some riots are still conservative and they do not take to chemical manures. They will be glad to have the compost pits revived. I think the government of Tamil Nadu must move the government of India in this matter and see that liberal grants and subsidies are given for this purpose. Then, with regard to supply of seeds, whenever the riots want the seeds, they are not given in time. All sorts of red tapeism is still there. If a riot goes to the demonstrator, he asks the riot to go to the district agricultural officer and then to the deputy director of agriculture who is somewhere in some other district, and by the time all the formalities are gone through, the riot gets vexed. Even if he undertakes all this trouble, he does not get the seeds, and even if he gets the seeds, he does not get them in time. Then I would like to say that the collection of dry leaves from the forests must be encouraged. I understand that the forest department is creating troubles in this regard. It does not allow the poor ryots to go to the forests to collect dry leaves during dry seasons. This is also a serious problem and something should be done by the government in this respect. I would request the forest department to be very liberal in permitting ryots to collect dry leaves. Then, in regard to selection of areas for community development and a national extension service, I am sorry to note that the government are not concentrating their attention on the selection of underdeveloped and undeveloped areas. I am afraid politics plays a very important role in this matter. I am sure the Honorable Minister will go into this matter and concentrate his attention on selecting undeveloped and underdeveloped areas in each district. I hope this point will be borne in mind. Then I want to deal with the question of hire purchase system in regard to pump sets. I understand that the government of Tamil Nadu have not availed themselves of the loan given by the government of India for this purpose. When the other state governments are availing themselves of this opportunity, it is not known why our government have not so far availed themselves of this opportunity given by the government of India. If they had accepted this offer and given these pump sets on loan or hire purchase system, it would have gone a long way in increasing food production. With regard to plant protection, it has been said that sprayers are distributed, but in actual practice, we do not get these sprayers, and if they are not supplied in adequate numbers and in time, we will not be able to tackle the plant diseases. In this connection, I suggest that Mobile vans equipped with pesticides may be engaged in large numbers and maestries may be made to go to interior villages to tackle these plant diseases.